Hello dear friends, this is the video tutorial regarding the science classes. Now I am going to draw some of the diagrams, drawing and labeling of certain scientific diagrams in easiest possible way. So just follow this and check it out for yourself. Let's first start with the Icse syllabus drawings. In photosynthesis chapter, we will be having the drawing of chloroplast. To draw a chloroplast very simply, we just have to follow these steps. This is the outer membrane. This is the inner membrane. You don't have to shade anything, okay? Don't do any kind of shading, just simple diagrams. Then you have to draw stacks of coins like structure. These are called thylakoids. Each of them is called a thylakoid. Draw another set of thylakoids over here. The set of thylakoids is known as granum. And draw a third one. That's it. No need of drawing so many. Just 1, 2 and 3 sets. Now join them with the help of channels. These are few channels. 1, 2 and 3. Now this is the stroma. The drawing is over. We can put certain ribosomes over here. Now this is outer membrane. This is inner membrane. These are, suppose this whole thing we call it granum. This is stroma. These are called stroma lamellae or fret. And this is ribosome. That's it. Only this much. Now let's draw another figure. Let's draw a nephron. You can draw a nephron in a very simplest possible way. This is the Bowman's capsule. This is the proximal convoluted tubule. This is the loop of Henle. Now this is ascending limb of the loop of Henle. This is distal convoluted tubule. This is the collecting duct. Now this part, this is the afferent arteriole, which is thicker one. Now this is the capillary network. Make it thin. This is efferent arteriole. Efferent arteriole. This is afferent arteriole. This is glomerulus. This one is Bowman's capsule. This is proximal convoluted tubule. This is distal convoluted tubule. This is loop of Henle. This is collecting tubule or collecting duct, we can say. So this is the drawing of a nephron. Isn't it easy? No complications over here. Now let's draw a sperm. To draw a sperm in a very easy way, this is the head of the sperm, this is the middle piece, this part is the axoneme and the tail. This part contains the nucleus, and here there is acrosome. Here there is a centriole. Here mitochondrial spiral is there. There is another centriole over here. So this is head. This is middle piece. This is tail. This is acrosome. This one is nucleus. This is mitochondrial spiral. Just simply you can write mitochondria, no harm. This is centriole. This is flagellum. So it's the simplest way of drawing a sperm. Now in Icse syllabus there is another drawing that you have to draw, that is excretory system. Simply draw it like this, the kidneys, here there are the blood vessels going to both the kidneys. This is another kidney. These two are ureters, one from this kidney, another from this kidney. Here there is urinary bladder. Here the urethra. So you can tell this is the kidney. This is ureter. This is urinary bladder. And this is urethra. So this is the way you have to draw. I hope these diagrams are so easy that you can easily draw at them now. Thanks a lot, and please share this video to as many people as possible so that they also can see. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel if you haven't done it so far.